Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Decor Styles. In today's video, I will share some amazing and outstanding modern patio design backyard garden ideas that will blow your mind. Guys, patio design is the process of creating an outdoor space that is usually attached to a house or a structure and is used for dining, recreation, or relaxation. Patio design involves choosing the location, shape, size, material, features, and decor of the patio to suit your needs, preferences, and budget. There are many factors to consider when designing a patio, such as the size, shape, location, function, style, and materials of the space. Here are some steps and tips to guide you. Plan a patio layout that suits your need and preferences. Think about how you want to use the patio, what kind of furniture and accessories you want to include, and how much space you have available. You can draw a scale plan of your patio on a paper or use an online tool to visualize it. Choose a patio material that matches your budget, style, and maintenance level. There are many options for patio flooring such as concrete, pavers, bricks, stones, gravel, wood, or tiles. Each material has its pros and cons in terms of cost, durability, appearance, and installation. You can also mix and match different materials to create patterns or borders. Add some patio features that enhance the comfort and appeal of your outdoor space. Depending on your climate and lifestyle, you may want to consider adding a pergola, a fire pit, an outdoor kitchen, a water feature, a hot tub swing to your patio. Decorate your patio with plants, furniture, lighting, rugs, cushions, art, and other accessories that reflect your personality and taste. You can choose a color scheme or a theme for your patio decor, such as tropical, rustic, modern. You can also use plants to add greenery, privacy, fragrance, or texture to your patio. Lighting can create ambience and mood for your patio at night. Guys, I hope these tips help you design your dream patio for your backyard garden. If you enjoy this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.